Within your larger community, you probably have smaller groups of contacts that you would like to communicate with. In Sunergo emails, these smaller groups of contacts are called channels. This tutorial will show you how to make a new channel. Here on the home page, you will find a list of channels. As a church administrator, I already have a channel set up for the email newsletter that I send to the whole congregation every week. We also have a special ministry at our church for the creative people in our community. I have a channel here that I use to announce those arts events to the contacts who are interested. And I also have a channel that I use to send emails to a support group for new parents. One of the great things about channels is that in addition to segmenting your contacts, you can find all the emails to each of these groups collected in one place. If I select the weekly letter channel, for example, you can see that I've already started creating draft emails for the upcoming weeks, and down below is a list of past emails that I have already sent. Let's go back to the home screen. Today, I want to create a new channel for our church's youth group. Select Create Channel. I am going to name this channel Story Youth and select Continue. Whenever you create a channel, Sunergo will prompt you to select a brand kit. This will ensure a similar look and feel to all of your emails to this channel. Our church's brand kit is set up as the default. I do want to add a unique brand kit for the youth group, but I will set it up later. For now, I will select Continue and just use the default brand kit. I am going to list our youth pastor, Jamie, as the return contact for the youth channel. If you want, you can also change the default contact information that appears at the bottom of your emails to this channel. For now, I'm going to leave it as it is. And just like that, our new channel has been created. Watch other tutorials to see how to add a brand kit, set up your audience, and write emails. For more information about Sunergo's suite of online tools, visit our website at www.sunergo.net.